Sun plus scraps equals clean cooking gas. It sounds simple, but the technology behind it is groundbreaking. Watch it work in 60 seconds. Meet the Fortis Invicta's revolutionary facility in Gambia, a hub of green innovation, where something truly incredible is happening right now. Here's how it works. First, our high-efficiency solar panels capture abundant sunlight, while organic waste from our on-site halal abattoir and local fruit dehydration units gets fed directly into our integrated modular refinery. The sun powers the entire closed-loop process, rapidly breaking down these organic scraps through our advanced valorization technology. Within just a few minutes, what was once considered worthless waste transforms into valuable, clean cooking gas. This isn't just waste management or simple recycling. It's a complete circular economy revolution in action. The very same facility that processes local food waste is now producing the affordable, sustainable fuel to cook with. And there it is, pure, clean cooking gas flowing steadily, created from what started as everyday scraps and sunshine. The future of sustainable energy isn't coming, it's already here. Visit www.fortisinvicta.com to learn more.